jet. You're erasing the word jet?
I'm erasing the word.
The word. So J is for jet. Can you say J?
I'm erasing it. I want to draw the word J.
Okay, draw the word J.
This is J.
That is J.
This is J.
J.
Look, this is J.
J says a sound J.
J.
How about J for jelly?
J for jelly. Look, this is J for jellyfish.
J for jellyfish. So today we're going to learn about the letter J.
Is for dancing moves.
It has dancing moves.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the uppercase J.
Uppercase J.
You're going to trace it.
Baby, the kitty is fast.
And then this is a lowercase J.
Lowercase J.
Yeah. This one's uppercase J.
Cross on it.
And that's the lowercase J. Good job.
Circle this.
Oh, circle the lowercase J. Circle the uppercase J. Circle the juice. Jam. Jeans. Jellyfish. Jelly. Jug. Jam.
Jam.
Juice.
Juice.
Jeans.
Jeans.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Jug.
Jug.
So these are all things that start with the letter J.
Baby, this book.
Maybe this book.
Look,
Okay.
it has a face on it.
It does have a face on
No,
it.
no.
Let's look for the letter J. Look. Look for the letter J.
That's a
Jet.
That's an airplane in there.
It's a jet. And jam.
Jam.
Okay, now trace the J.
Erase the lowercase a. Draw this.
Oh, this is the lowercase J?
Draw this.
Okay, let's work on that one. So this is the lowercase J and the uppercase J? Yeah? Okay. Guess what? Let's flip it like magic. Look, 3, 2, 1. Psh. Did you see that?
No.
No, psh. Do 3, 2, 1. Psh.
No.
No flipping
Yes.
it. J is for jump. J, j, jump. Can you say jump?
Jump. Jump.
Jump, 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 jump,
Jump.
jump, jump. Put the jellyfish inside the jar. Oh, he's thirsty. Can we put some juice inside the jar?
Mhm.
Jellyfish wants the juice inside the jar. The jellyfish is cold. Can we give a jacket to the jellyfish?
Mhm.
Say jacket to the jellyfish.
That's for the jellyfish.
Juice for the jellyfish.
Juice for the jellyfish.
Jellyfish inside the jar.
Jellyfish inside the jar.
Jacket on the jellyfish.
Jacket on the jellyfish.
Juice for the jellyfish.
Juice for the jellyfish.
Jellyfish in the jar.
Jellyfish in a jar.
Good job.
Something in there?
Something's in there.
Baby, it had a book.
It's part of the book. That's the J book. J is for jeans.
Baby, we open this.
Look. J is for jeans. Jeans.
Something is a bunny?
Who knows? Let's see what's in there.
Oh, wait.
J is for jar and jump.
Can you hold it?
Hold it.
Sorry.
Jar and jump.
Jump. There's no jump.
Whoa, that says jar. What's that?
That's a lion.
That's a jar. That's the other part of a puzzle. J is for jar.
Baby, it can't eat some jelly like this.
Oh, those are jelly beans.
I want to eat this.
Okay, we can get jelly beans.
What's that inside?
What's that? Oh, this is the letter J for jaguar.
This is...
Oh, look, it's a jigsaw puzzle. Jigsaw. Can you say jigsaw?
Jigsaw.
Oh, and look. Here's the other parts of this puzzle. I think these go together and this one goes right there. Can you put this together to make the letter J? Yeah.
I got this, Mommy.
You got this? Okay, if you need my help, let me know.
I don't know.
You're doing good. Oh, yeah. J is for jacket, juice, jug, and jam.
Look, it's like this.
It's like a jacket. You have one? For Jello! Jellyfish and juice. Turn it around. Is something in the back? Jet. Turn it around. Jacket.
Look, it's for purple fruit.
Yep. A purple jellyfish and a purple jacket and a green jet. And blue juice. That's apple juice. All of these things start with the letter J. Avid, what else is in here? I feel it. J is for jumping jacks.
No.
No. Oh, what else is in there?
Baby is back.
That's a baby J. That's a lowercase J. Look. It's a lowercase J?
Look, this is a lowercase J.
Okay, that's a lowercase J. Where's the uppercase J? You found the uppercase J? Yeah, look at this. It's the uppercase J and the lowercase J. You want to see if it fits? Make it fit like a puzzle. That's the uppercase J. Where's the lowercase J? Right there. Good job.
That's not. Baby, we turn it around. This is like.
Maybe if we turn it around.
This is like.
That's right.
That's is white.